G82 has made it back. Quick glimpse for you guys. Carbon exterior pieces. What is up, you guys? Back with another BMW video. Side skirts on the G82 today. Let's get it. So yes, you guys, new video. Got some more carbon going on the G82. You guys see the homie pulling it in right now. The G82 has made it back. You guys remember previous video, carbon fiber front lip. And from the looks of it, homie has taken good care of it because it is still on.
We got these on.
Oh, we got these on. If you guys do remember from the previous video, they are on now. And look at that.
Looks better, right?
Looks better with completely front to back. Now only thing left is side skirts. Some exhaust clips for you guys. Now before we get started with this video, don't forget to go down, hit that subscribe button. A lot more G82 content coming for you guys. Let's get this car inside. Look at that front end. Next thing, show off the car parts that we're gonna install right now. Quick glimpse for you guys. Check out that carbon weave. All it really needs is a quick wipe down after the install. But you guys see the unraveling of the carbon side skirt for the G82 M4. Gonna unwrap that one too. Test fit, go from there. All right, guys, we'll give you guys a quick rundown on the install, the after look. All right, you guys, so being that it rained today in San Francisco, we're gonna wipe this down just so we have a clean and dry mating surface for the carbon side skirt to attach to. After that, I believe we're gonna focus our attention underneath to show you guys exactly what clips we need to take off. So those are the style clips for the underside of the side skirt. We're gonna pop them all off from the underside. I believe there's 8 of them. Now, once we remove all those clips, you just literally slowly pop the side skirt off. And just like that. These are actual side skirts that like clip in and everything, as opposed to the ones for like the F chassis where it's just an additional piece you add on. These actually clip on completely. You guys can see it has the clips and it has the holes for the bottom bolts to clip into. And just like that, OEM side skirt pops off. We can set this to the side. All right, you guys, so quick comparison between the two. You guys can see OEM to aftermarket, the clips and the holes all line up. So it should be a rather easy install. And honestly, it's pretty much the same all the way around. This one is a little bit more aggressive in regards to width. And of course, it's carbon fiber. But the drastic change is when you get to the rear. And you see this huge fin just protruding to the side. Look at that. And the great thing about this is it complements perfectly with the rear diffuser bit and the front bit as well. Just because it has the arrow piece coming up, flows all the way back, and it just flows so perfectly and naturally. All right, you guys, quick mock-up test. Just look at how drastic this fin is right here. And the fact that it flows perfectly towards the back one, you guys see it is the same brand, so of course, you know, it should align and it should flow perfectly with the other pieces that come with the kit. So quick test fit. All right, you guys, so quick tip for you guys, makes it easy if you get one corner in and then the opposing corner in, because once you have those corners in, you know it's aligned and you can kind of just go clip by clip, popping them in. I would get like a rag or something just to like pop it in, or use your hand, of course, just so you don't get any scratches on it. So once you have it aligned, the clips should literally just pop in. And just like that, you guys, carbon side skirt is on. And let me tell you guys, look at that aggressiveness. Let me zoom out real quick. Just look at that. That arrow. It's insane. Quick tips, like I was saying, get your corner piece in, line up both corners, and then slowly start popping the clips in. Hard part was kind of right here, just because you don't got that much space in between the actual clip of the side skirt, because there's this fin right here. If you kind of like leverage it with something that obviously won't scratch the material, you'll be better off just popping it in. All that's left now is just to put the clips from under, and install should be complete on this side. We can now grab the passenger side and basically repeat the same process. Once we have them both on, we'll give you guys an exterior point of view, just so you guys can get an idea of how it looks like complete with the full kit and everything. All right, y'all, so all 8 clips for the passenger side skirt are off now. One thing about this is you don't want to be too scared. You kind of want to just ease into it. Once you get the first clip off, the rest just come slowly, just like that. Boom. Passenger side skirts off.
There we go.
We can put that to the back, and now install the actual carbon fiber one. One thing to keep in note now that we actually have the side skirt off is there is a sensor here. So if you ever plan on one, you know, putting self-tappings or whatever it might be courteous of this spot right here. You don't want to, you know, damage any of these electronics, cause a short whatsoever.
Ceramic pads, bro. You see this brake dust, right?
Yeah, this kick up is crazy.
And so one thing you might want to tell them is align the front one first.
All right, so you guys heard. You do want to line the front one first, just so it's an easier install all around. Here we go. You saw it. Get that corner piece in. Now we get that rear corner piece in, and everything else just lines up. Look at that passenger side skirt. Quick wipe down.
Beautiful.
You got yourself a mirror finish. But yeah, both sides are on. Super easy install. Only difficult part is really just smacking those clips in, because you don't want to scratch the carbon and you don't want to damage your paint. So taking your time with it. We used a rubber mallet and it lines up perfectly. Like, fitment is flawless. Carbon side skirts are on, you guys. Only thing left, put the car out, give you guys a full rundown exactly what it's looking like now with the full carbon body kit. And after that, some more tunnel runs, just because you guys love the pulls on this car and you can't get enough of the S58. First glimpse of the side skirts. Man, they flow beautifully, and look at that. As I was saying with the rear diffuser bits, it flows perfectly. But look at this, you guys. Front lip, side skirts, diffuser. What else do you guys really need? And the exhaust to go with it. Crazy. You guys do see it. Carbon diffuser bit. Side skirt bit. Your thoughts?
Shout out my boy Alexndr.
Hey, beautiful proper install on this. You guys are thinking about buying it, I definitely would recommend these. This is probably the easiest install he's done.
Took like 5 minutes.
5-minute install right there. This is probably like a 30-minute install both sides.
Flip was easy, but the 8mm, go watch the previous video.
Go watch the previous video. I'm gonna link it up above.
8mm were a pain.
But you guys see it. This thing is looking crazy nice. Carbon exterior pieces, the bucket seats, grill coming soon.
The grill, we're gonna have to take off the whole front bumper.
Yeah, I have seen that, so stay tuned for that. But next thing, interior POV. And rainy day vibes in San Francisco paired with the S58 makes nothing but great memories. I can't get enough of this. Like I said, you guys, I don't know about you guys, but I can't ever get enough of the S58 paired with this amazing exhaust. Like, what more do you need? Insane interior point of view. Stay tuned though, we will have an exterior point of view for you guys. And just like that, you guys, install complete. Drop a like to the page, show some love to the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep it authentic, y'all. Till the next one. Peace.